What is going on, everybody? Welcome on into 2021. What? Give yourself a pat on the back, hit this thumbs up on this video because we made it through 2020 and now we're on to 2021. The year of redemption. The year is gone that everybody wants to forget, but so many good things happen, so let's not forget everything. Today, we're going to talk about a newer beer company who is part of a trend that you're going to see in 2021, in my opinion. I know of a couple companies that are starting to do this, and we're talking Ostrich Oil, we're talking design, we're talking 2021, we're talking beard oil, beard balm, and beard butter, and we're going to do that with Magic City Beard Company right now. All right, I am Tyson. If you didn't know that, now you do. And I am rolling into this year thinking I spend so much time prepping and getting ready for a video, making my beard look all great because, we care about what people think of us. This is the year where I back up the things that we say all the time. And the thing that I talk about all the time is being you, promoting people being themselves and who they are. Yeah, I rolled out of bed this morning. Yeah, I came into the studio and I decided to record. Yeah, I was cold, so I put a coat on and I put a hat on. No, I did not go do my beard because I don't plan on doing it for a little bit. Okay? Like, I'm not going to shower and do my beard just so I can come on a video. Like, take me as I am. And that's what I want to promote everybody else doing this year is being who you are, don't fit in anybody else's mold, and try to live up to other people's opinions and what they want. Be you, be who you are, and let's talk Magic City Beard Company right now. So I got oil, butter, and balm from Mike over at Magic City Beard Company out of the Miami, Florida area. Now, he uses ostrich oil in his beard products, and the reason that he does that is his son has some skin conditions, some skin issues, and they experimented with ostrich oil, and it seemed to do really good for him. So he decided, why not put it in beard products and try it out? Now, ostrich oil is very similar to emu oil, but it's a little bit fattier, and it soaks up a little bit quicker. So you could see benefits from that. Whether or not you're going to notice it exactly yourself, yet to be determined. You have to try it out and see because every beard, every skin type is a little bit different. I want to show you guys, look at these bottles. You got this bright orange, amazing looking bottle. I love presentation, so to me, this matters. I love presentation. This looks good. The white text can be a little bit hard to read on the bottle, but hey, there's always room for improvement, and picking up the bottle and the labeling and the design is something that he could definitely work on going forward. But the overall look, he's going for that orange and black look, and it looks awesome. Now, let's talk about some scents here. So the first scent that I pick up is Atlantis. And I think of Atlantis, and I don't know necessarily what comes to mind, but I turn it over here, and I see a scent profile, and it's Mysterious Oceanic Oud. Mysterious, and I'm like, whoa, mysterious. Ooh. Who doesn't like a little bit of a murder mystery, Oudie mystery, oceanic mystery. We all like mysteries. So, you kind of shake it up and you're going to give it a little bit of a smell and you're just like, oud, ooh, that's good. And so I get oud right off the top. I get oud, but with that 50-50, I get fresh and clean. So it's like a fresh and clean oud. Yep, fresh and clean oud. That's how I'm going with it. It's a little bit of a cologne type scent in the back of that, but not overwhelming. It's still more clean oud smell to me. This is your traditional type oud and clean kind of mixed in with it. And then we have South Beach. South Beach beard oil. South Beach. When I think of South Beach, I think of like Jersey Shore for some reason and weightlifting on the beach and a bunch of people walking around in bikinis and swim trunks in the ocean and surfing. I don't know. I've never been there. That's just what I think of, probably from TV shows or something. People in the ocean tossing beach balls back and forth. But this is a fresh citrus cologne. It's 2021. I can't talk correctly. Nothing has changed. The calendar flipped over. I still have the same talking issues as I had last year. So I hope you're on board with all of that. And so here we go. We got a fresh citrus cologne. And when I smelled this, smelled, whatever one you prefer. I prefer smelt. I think smelt is, I think that's just the way you smelt it, you dealt it. It's smelt. Um, so let's smell the fresh citrus cologne. That's what I get out of it. I like this out of the bottle. I really like the scent out of the bottle. It smells citrusy and fresh and clean. It's got that cologne vibe to it. I did kind of notice when I put it in my beard, I warmed it up a little bit and put it in my beard that it kind of reminded me of like that lemon pledge a little bit, a little bit. I hope I didn't just ruin it for anybody. I'm sorry if I did. But that's, the sense of smell is such a powerful sense that we have, and it can trigger so many memories. And it reminded me of cleaning the house with my mom when I was a kid and I had the pledge and the rag and she put me on dusting duty. Is that a bad memory? No, not necessarily, because it's just not. I don't know if it's a great memory, but it's a memory. It's a memory in there. I don't know if it's anger, fear, um, disgust. I don't know which Inside Out character it is. Wouldn't be 2021 or Faithfully Bearded without a message going off in the middle of a video. Thanks, phone. I get it. Happy New Year to you too. So that's the memory I get with it. Did it ruin it for me? Slightly, as long as I can remember. The memory just comes up every time I wear it. So that's that one. Little Havana, Cuban cigar, amber whiskey, clove and wood notes, and this is an amazing scent. I love amber. I love whiskey. I love tobacco. You mix them all together and you throw in some other little notes in there. This is just a really good scent for me. I like this. So, I mean, I would definitely recommend Little Havana or Atlantis as my top two out of the ones that I got to experiment with. Now, Ostrich Oil, Coconut Oil, which is MCT, Shea Olean, Argan Oil, and Jojoba Oil. So that's the carrier blend on there. I think that's a good blend. I think could swap some out just to get a little bit better feel for my personal preference. And the feel that I experienced with this blend is it does have that cloudy look like emu oil that we're all accustomed to. It's ostrich oil. It soaks up really fast. It soaks up really, really fast in my beard. And what I noticed with that is after 3-4 hours, my beard started to feel dry. And so I'd have to reapply. I'm not used to reapplying. But a couple things that could come with that is we did hit our coldest part of the season, which is also the driest part of the season. So all of that factors in. So when I review it now and I say 3 to 4 hours, I have to reapply, it makes my beard dry. I tend at this time of year to have to reapply beard products anyway. So take that for what it's worth, but that's my experience with it. I'd be interested to see back in July when we have more humidity going on, if that changes at all or not. The scent profiles, they are good. They last me 4 to 5 hours. I would say that's about average for me and how I go nose blind and how my beard absorbs scent profiles. So I'd say that's about average for me. So the oil, I like the oil. I would love to try some different scent profiles. I'd like them to be just a little bit stronger, and I think he can pop the print out on the bottle just a little bit more. So that's my advice for the oil, and maybe transition like Shea Olean to something else. I mean, I like Shea Olean, but the oils, they feel good. They feel good while they last. Then you have a balm, which comes in this little 2-ounce jar, and whether it seems small for 2 ounces to me. So I would have to really weigh it, like melt it down and weigh it and see. It seems small for 2 ounces, but I don't know. It's shea butter, beeswax, mango butter, ostrich oil, coconut, shea Olean, argan, jojoba. It's a stronger holding balm. The scent profile comes through the same as the oil, so I really like that. So if you're into such strong holding balms like I am, this balm is a winner. It's a winner. I like stronger, medium to stronger holding balms. I think that's what a balm should be. And then you get into the butter, which is Jihujic, like this. 4-ounce tub here, and you got the label all the way around. It follows the same type of label as the beard oil and balm, so I really like that. The color scheme flows all the way across as well. And this is a really like dense beard butter. It's really dense and creamy. It's tacky, gives you a little bit of a hold in there. It's one of those butters that you have to really, really melt down good because it tends to get tacky in your hand. And when you have that tackiness in your hand, then you're putting it in and it just kind of like turns goopy in your beard and it's like pulling hairs and everything like that. And that's what I noticed. So I really have to make sure that you get this nice and warm and broken down in your hand, melted, so that way it goes in your beard nice. Now, this scent I got Vizcaya. It is lavender, orange, eucalyptus, sandalwood, chamomile, and vanilla. If you're into that type of thing, you'll probably like it. I think it's an overall pretty good scent, but there's a lot of things in here I don't like, which could be good or bad. It's a lot of things I don't like, so I tend to stray away from it. But they're, like I said, when I smell it all in one, I'm like, wow, this smells pretty good. So I think he did a really good job mixing it, which is good news for all of you guys. Shea butter, mango butter, and then the carrier oil blend. So when you look at that compared to the differences between the balm and the oil, is this the butter and the butter and the balm BB butter balm BBs. All right, so the balm has beeswax and no mango butter. No, it does have mango butter. So they're the same, except for there's beeswax in the balm and the butter doesn't have beeswax. So that's nice. If you're looking for a waxless butter, you're in with Magic City Beard Company. And then I also got the Key West scent in the butter as well, which is mango, coconut, lime, pineapple, sugar, and more. This scent is amazing. This is just tropical. It smells like I'm cutting open a pineapple mixed with a little bit of, this is just a amazing tropical type scent. It's sweet. It's good. I really, really like it. Probably my favorite scent that I got out of these two butters. I would probably like this in a oil. It'd be more summertime for me, but we experience winter here. We're not down in Florida, so for me, I'm in the wintry, dark scents right now, but come summer, spring, this is going to be a go-to scent of mine for sure. So when we jump on over to basically like the website here, and we take a look at his website, the things that we are going to see is it's very tropical, it's very oceanic and things like that. So here you can see, and then you got some fragrances down here. You got the ostrich heads peeking up all over you here. And then you got, let's see, beard oils. You're looking at for the 1 ounce, $22.99. I think that's about on par for what you're getting with the ingredients, but $22.99. Beard butters, $29.99 for a 4 ounce. And then you have beard balms here, 2 ounce beard balm for $19.99. So there you have that. And then you have some hats, you got some gear, you got some scents here and things like that. So pretty easy to navigate website. If I wanted a beard balm here, I could just click on Atlantis. I could add to cart. Now, as far as website, I honestly would put bundles on here, something like I'm already at like 3 or 4 clicks just to add one product to my cart. So maybe have a drop down here to add the matching oil or something like that. So it's all right there and I can just check out and go from there. So that's about that. Now, if we're talking Faithful Ranker score, I'm going to do it a little bit different this year. I'm not going to break down oils and butters and balms. I'm just going to kind of give the company a score because I think what Mike is onto is incredible. I think he's got amazing scents. I would like to see a little bit different design with the label. I think it looks just a little too self-done, and I'm a graphics guy. I think there can be more done with the graphics on it to make it really unique and stand out and pop. I think the pricing's okay for what you get. I don't have an issue with that personally myself, but he's extremely new. He's learning. He's open to learning. You're going to see this ostrich oil thing coming around a lot this year, so I think he's in with that. So I'm going to come in right away at an 8.9, and what I'm going to do at an 8.9 is, Mike, I want to review your products again in July when you have a little bit more time under your belt in July. I want to review them again when our weather has changed and we're humid and we're not so dry and see if they react any different to me. So to summarize this up, 8.9 overall, I love what he's doing. He's mid-pack going on the upper echelon of the beard companies. I like his scents a lot. I like the feel in beard. A little bit worried if it's have to apply it too much, but really, really good stuff. And I'm excited for you guys to try this and give feedback. So if you've tried Magic City Beard Company, comment down below what you think of it. What was your favorite scent? Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and check out the Beard Porosity series right here on this channel, because if you don't know the porosity of your beard, you're going to buy every beard product that sounds good, and they're not all going to work the same for you. So learn your beard, Check out the Beard Prosody series. And remember, in 2021, this is all about being who you are. Don't live into other people's opinions, thoughts, and the directions they want to go. Blaze your own path, reach your goals, be you, be bearded, and God bless.